Reddit is getting absolutely smoked today. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and the bell so you get all the notifications. If you have been getting wrecked in the market today on Reddit, Coinbase, Circle, Block, Twilio, those are just now approaching my buy levels. I have been out for months. All right, let's get into it. If you go and look at this weekly candle, okay, let's take a look at the monthly candle. Just drink that in. It's down 28. We're only 12 days into February, guys, and it's down 27.51%. I was charting this, and if you go to the daily, see that right there? It should be 120.30. You ready? What you want to see is this price action just like hugging up right against this section of the line. That says buyers stepped in here repeatedly. Wow, look at that. I bet you it's going to be at like the 786. 786, guys, 123.23. You got a gap fill at 120.30. You got this upsloping trend line that also pretty much hits 119.95. Loving Reddit right here. Loving. I set an order here. $120.30 is where I set my order. XYZ, another company I love. If you don't know who's behind this, Jack Dorsey, the original founder of Twitter. All right, and it might even be putting in a Head and Shoulders. And it would need to trigger, and what would a 48% drop? 17 bucks. And does anything line up with that? Tell you what, dude, if it makes it down here, it's either in hot water or I'm buying a heck of a lot of it. But you know, the funny thing is this looks a hell of a lot like the PayPal chart, PYPL, which I just snagged some PayPal at 40. And guys, there's an earnings call happening right now. I'm actually sorry I didn't record this video earlier because, here, let's just skip there right now. Twilio. Guys, I set an order for this at $95. Now, I am hoping that it wicks down to 95, and there's a gap fill down here at 71.86. So, guys, this isn't super urgent. Oh! Look at that. 110 to 116. A jump on earnings. My buddy is going to be so fucking happy about that. I tweeted about this 4 hours ago. Potentially huge opportunity on this stock. 2017, last time I bought it was around 50 bucks. After a move to 457, 9x. Guys, I did not 9x this. I got it to 230 something and I let go of it. All the way back down, it did pierce 50 actually. I would be a buyer now. Actually, I did set an order for 5 shares at $95. Twilio, I like it. And apparently some other people like it too. Because, when it whipped down, hey, maybe I'm right. I'm going to start posting on the Base app more. I'll be posting on X. I'll be posting on YouTube, the posts in the community, and I will be making shorts. I like it at this level for a technical bounce. So, I mean, especially 95, just to show you what that looks like. Here's 95, but dude, there is some support there. Are you kidding me? Look at this. And yeah, 95 to 90. Love it for a technical bounce. I was thinking 95 for whatever reason, but this gap fill. And then usually when it bounces like that, so let's just use the last like kind of local top right there. Let's say if it makes it to, it just like wicks down. Because when you have a level like that, it's not going to be like, 92.50. Excuse me, sir. I'll turn around. It usually just wicks through and does a pierce, and then the buying pressure, sort of a lag, drives it back up. You know, it's like you're trying to like steer a boat or something, for any boaters out there. If it were to dip all the way down to 90 and you got, you know, sort of a little bounce back up to the 5 or the 618, you'd be able to sell around 105, 110. And so, I mean, as a swing trade, let's just say you set your buy order for 92.50, you eat it for a while, and then you get the bounce, and you sell prematurely, but you take the dub, 14.32%. If you want to get greedy and risk it doing one of these things, then, you know, you could try to ride it up to 109, 18%. Personally, I'll take this 13%, 14%. Say thank you very much. Just take the dub right off into the sunset, man. Anyway, Twilio. Brentford Arsenal. Still 0-0 for anyone who cares about that. My laptop is plugged in. We can continue with the show. Coinbase, I bought it at 150. I love Coinbase at this level. This stock, what a great stock. Long term, I'm about to go on another tangent. God help me. Coinbase is not just a crypto exchange, okay? It is that, but it goes deeper. So if you buy an ETF, like a Bitcoin ETF, Bitwise, Grayscale, BlackRock, and for those of you who are very new to this whole Web3 thing, I got you. I'm going to make it real simple, okay? Blockworks.com. It's a great website. And I'm going to show you right now one of the things that they do. IBIT, FBTC, GBTC, BTC, BitB, BitO. All these Bitcoin ETFs. You see the ETF name, issuer, type, price, market cap, all the info, assets under management, right? It's currently sort of biggest to smallest. Obviously, BlackRock is the biggest, and it ain't close. They are 3 times larger than Fidelity. 17 times 3 is 51. Obviously, I know it's not exact, but let's neither here nor there. Now, you want to go over to the aisle, the column that says custodian. Custodian means who's holding the Bitcoin. Coinbase, 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 Coinbase. Gemini, that is not Google's version of ChatGPT. That is the Winklevoss twins crypto exchange. They're dipping a toe in the water as well. And they, Van Eck. Winklevoss, Van Eck, maybe a little, Anyway, that's not the point. Coinbase, 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 Coinbase. And furthermore, if you are even the slightest bit interested in investing in crypto, but you just can't be bothered to keep up with which sector's going to go up. Oh, the AIs and the DPINs and the L1s and the L2s and this and that, and keeping up with a whole new batch of crap. Why buy specific pieces of art when you can own a portion of the gallery? That's what you are doing here with Coinbase stock, okay? And at $140, this thing, in my humble opinion, I am a buyer here all day long. This is a steal. I think I bought it back here on this little retrace. And I probably bought it here, and I probably bought some more here. And I sold it. I sold a lot of it up around here because I saw it putting in this M top, and it started coming down. I said, uh-oh. So I didn't want to round trip all of it. I did hang on to a couple shares, and I've just matched my previous position size while we're down here at these prices. I absolutely love Coinbase long term. Here's another huge opportunity. This is a beaten down IPO. You might know them as USDC, USD coin. The C is actually for Circle. If you do use Coinbase, it is the stable coin, the de facto stable coin on Coinbase. And this thing has just taken pounding after pounding and pretty much gone down forever. Probably all the way to $30, which was the IPO. It went all the way up to $298.99, sniffing $300, and then it came all the way back down. And will you be able to get it at a 90% discount, you ask? Well, that is entirely possible. I love PayPal at this price. I don't think PayPal is going to go out of business, so to be able to buy their stock at, again, if you go into a store and you're walking past the clothing racks and you see a Ralph Lauren polo or Brooks Brothers or whatever your poison is, 87.46% off, and they ain't a damn thing wrong with it, better get it. Tygo, please come back down. Tygo, I would love to buy you at $2.50. Just get to $2.50. Or, I mean, $2.50, $2. If it can get there, that'd just be great. I will buy a lot more. I own a little bit, and my cost basis is $155, I believe, which means I probably got it around here. But I've talked about that one enough. HOVR. This one is a drone company, let's call it. It's like commuter drones where 4 of you can get in, or 3, or whatever. And it's like a little Uber. It'll fly you around town. You know, and you can be just as horrified as you are on an actual airplane, I'm sure. Which it doesn't bother me one bit. So check out their beautiful website, and you can get all the warm, fuzzy feelings, and you can get all hyped up to buy the stock. Look at that carbon fiber. Turbines. Droney. Grass. So they appear to have their stuff together. Back to the chart. I mean, you see what it's doing. It's no secret here. It's in a little wedge, which, honestly, I haven't bought this one today. I have a small position that I got, I don't know, probably back here. Maybe even earlier. I don't remember. But it's just starting to creep up on my radar more as I'm sort of degenning up the risk curve and getting into things like things I'll talk about in a separate video. And once I make that video, will be linked way up there in the opposite corner of the screen, since I'm a little square in the bottom left. But yeah, so guys, keep that one on your radar. Maybe set a price alert. And whenever I say something like that, just convert it back into first person and just know that I'm actually talking to myself. Okay? Okay. This level right there. 145. I'm going to set a price alert for 1. As a matter of fact, I'll just do it right now. Boop. There we go. HOVR. I'll check it out then. We'll see what happens. If it breaks further down, God knows where it could end up. If it bounces off there and goes, watch out. Pax Gold. So I thought about selling this. And here's the beauty of Pax Gold. If you have regular gold, you can do after hours orders. But after 8, you're kind of SOL. So the reason I hold gold, if you look at the benefits of Pax Gold, pretty much the only thing that's better than this is holding physical gold. I can get rid of this as I'm going to bed and I take a last look at the chart while I'm brushing my teeth or something and I want to move out of Pax Gold or I want to move into gold or something's happening. I can. This trades 24 hours. So I did a previous video about Pax Gold. It's linked way up there in the top right corner of the video. This is a trade I'm in right now. I woke up today, saw a big old red candle it was printing, and I'm not moving a muscle because I have a plan and I'm going to stick to it. And my sell order is at 51.8888. It's got a parallel channel right there. It's hit the bottom of that parallel channel today. It could very easily wick back up. It's done it before, a la February 5th. And that's pretty much all I'm going to say about that. VELO. And this is sort of an Easter egg. I got rid of this probably around 18 something. I absolutely love this stock. I love what the company does. My understanding is that they have Sapphire 3D printers that are printing parts for aerospace and defense and energy for these applications, like turbines and stuff. This is a substantial leap in progress, efficiency, quality, etc. And this company right here is an absolute game changer. I don't know what their market cap is. I'm not going to go into all that stuff right now. That's not what I do. That's not who I am. You're welcome to look at it on your own. I'm sure somebody who's happy to cover it here on the universe that is YouTube, where this video is currently available. Right now, I liked it for a technical bounce right there at the 618. It's going through. I expect to be able to buy it down here, essentially the 7 to 8 range. It would not shock me to see it come up and fill this. If it were to, let's just play the old game that I should probably never play, that if I do get it at $7 and it does make it up to that level, you're basically talking about a 3,000%. That is some wishful thinking right there. But anyway, guys, that's one of my little hidden gems, one of my Easter eggs. VELO 3D. And if you guys want to see the video I was talking about earlier, I've linked it way up there. See ya.